competency assessment for the unit of perform and pedicure. This will guide you through the entire assessment process. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Ms. Obero, Ms. Serenal, Mr. Lam. They are here to oversee and monitor the conduct of the assessment to ensure that all procedures are in accordance with the TESDA assessment guideline. They will not take a part in the assessment. Before we proceed, please be informed that this assessment is being recorded and monitored through our CCTV and for quality assurance purposes of TESDA, provincial and regional process. Before signing the consent form, you agree to be recorded during the assessment and allow the use of the recording for official TESDA purposes only. Please read and sign the consent form. Please request everyone to present their admission slip. I will call you now your name to verify your attendance. Please respond clearly when your name is called. Ms. Atea Jane, San Antonio. Ms. Saberola. Today we are here to undergo a competency assessment for a beauty care service nail care in situ. Competency assessment is a process gathering and evaluating evidence to determine whether a candidate can be perform work activities according to the standard required. In this workplace, this assessment measures your knowledge and skills and your attitude also in perform beauty care nail care, thus according to the industry standards. For assigned being for the beauty care service nail care in situ to perform manicure and pedicure. According to the training regulation, this unit is include ability to prepare the client, prepare tools and equipment and materials, and perform manicure and procedure, perform pedicure and procedure, and apply nail polish, provide aftercare advice, and also the observe occupational health and safety, sanitation, and hygiene practices. You will be required to perform the following tasks of perform manicure procedure, perform pedicure procedure, which is the assess preparation of tools and materials, cleaning consultation, proper trimming, filling, cuticle care, hand and foot massage, proper application of nail polish, and cleaning, sanitation of waste disposal. Time limit is 2 hours. The assessment may be include following method. The assessment may be include the actual demonstration or hand-on perform and district observation by assessor or the oral questioning. Please follow the instruction carefully and follow the task unit in real salon environment. After the assessment, the result will be competent if you meet all the required performance criteria. Not yet competent if you do not meet the required standard. This result will be discussed after the assessment. If you have a religious practices that you need to observe during the assessment, please inform me now if you need to take medication during the assessment. Kindly inform me so proper consideration can be given to you. And also, reasonable adjustments such as a clarification of instruction may be allowed provided they do affect the integrity of the assessment process. Here are the do's and don'ts. For the do's, have a follow safety and sanitation procedure and use tools and equipment properly and follow assessor instruction. And also for the don'ts, no use of cell phone during the assessment. No taking a picture or a videos. And last one is do not leave the assessment area without the permission. If you are not satisfied with the assessment result, you may file a written appeal address for the assessment center manager immediately after the assessment. You also have the right to appeal if you believe proper assessment procedure were not followed. If you are declared competent, you will be issued a national certificate in situ or a certificate competency COC. The national certificate is valid for 5 years only. Instruction on claiming of the certificate will be provided after the release of the result. Candidate declared not yet competent may be applied for a reassessment. Reassessment will be focused only the competency area, not for achieve. And if you have no further question, we will now begin the competency assessment. Good luck and do your best. Thank you.